I'd love to volunteer here with Dad. I want to go ride the miniature railway, Dad. Are we going to?
In a minute. What's next on the agenda?
Okay. But first I want to watch all these engines. I want to watch.
Is this a good miniature railway?
Yeah, it's lovely. Look at that one! Is that Thomas?
No, it can't be.
Thomas. What if Thomas was a miniature engine? Well, there you go. There's your answer. Someone built like a miniature prototype of Thomas. Oh! Look! Do you see that? GNR. Emily the GNR.
Come on then.
I want to go on a miniature railway now. Hold on, I want to.